This is what your joints look like, and sometimes what they sound like when they're bone on bone. And this is what they should look like. Healthy, well-greased knees should be silent and painless when you're walking, climbing stairs, or bending down. And if they're not greased, then you'll get this horrible ache, that unbearable pain. I will spare you from hearing that sound again. And this pain probably caused you to run to the doctor, only for them to convince you that you need an injection, or even worse, you need knee surgery. Well, you don't. Hi, I'm Dr. Josh. I'm a naturopathic physician with over 20 years of experience helping people find natural solutions to common and complex medical problems. So why do your knees hurt? The reason is chronic inflammation. About 528 million people worldwide are living with joint pain and arthritis, a condition that is the result of uncontrolled chronic inflammation. And the good news here is that the solution is cheaper than any knee surgery, and in many cases, even more effective and completely preventable. You see, everyone has inflammation in their bodies. Inflammation isn't the enemy. It's actually our body's way of healing itself from illness or from injury. When your body senses that something is wrong, it heats up with inflammation to remove the damaged tissue, fight off infection, and heal the area. But when there is no injury and you're ingesting foods that are inflammatory, and you can find a list of those foods right here, especially things like common cooking oils, those are sending the wrong messages to your brain, triggering your body to create excessive amounts of inflammation. And that is how it all begins. Because this excessive inflammation is heating up your joints and burning away at healthy tissue and cartilage, causing the aches and the pains that you feel every time you move that joint. So let's get it under control. The first thing you're gonna do is commit to a short walk every day for 45 minutes. It sounds a little counterintuitive, I know, because your knees hurt, but the more you move, the more you will grease those joints. You can do this. For 21 days, you are going to remove the following items from your diet. We're talking about soda, white sugar, processed meats, and any cooking oils except for olive or avocado oil. And start incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. Instead of that soda, try Spindrift. It is carbonated, it contains no added sugars and only sweetened with just a little bit of fruit juice. Trade your sugar for honey. Honey is sweeter than sugar, so you'll need much less of it, meaning less sugar in your body and in your bloodstream. Trade the processed meats and the farm-raised fish for wild-caught fish, grass-fed beef, pasture-raised chicken, and eggs. These are healthy animals that produce healthier products. And try replacing the unhealthy cooking oils that are in your diet with just a few of my favorite healthy fats that will actually help you reduce chronic inflammation. And most importantly, use spices to help signal your body and your brain that you are not injured and to turn off those inflammatory alarms. Turmeric has been the #1 spice for reducing inflammation for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine because of the active ingredient in it, which is called curcumin. I sometimes call it knee grease because it works by blocking certain inflammatory molecules like NF-kappa B that trigger inflammation. So it's shutting down that fire alarm in your body before things get out of control. All right, give these things a try for the next 21 days and let me know in the comments how it worked for you.